Welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to fix the Xbox app if it's not launching with the error code 0x8 with multiple zeros in 2. Okay, so first up, go ahead and open up your search bar and type in PowerShell. Okay, once this one pops up, go ahead and go to the right panel and click on Run as Administrator. There'll be a pop-up. Just click on Yes. Now in here, just go to the description below and copy the first command. Okay. Copy it, right click and just hit on enter. Okay, no need to paste. When you right click, it will be automatic. Okay, now once done, again, just hit on enter, wait for the process, and then again, go to the description below and copy the second command. Right click, hit on enter. Okay, as you can see here, Microsoft Store has been opened. So all you need to do is just get the gaming service. Click on get. Right, you can see here it's currently installing. Just wait for it. If there's an error that you can't install the gaming services, well, just go ahead and restart the computer and then redo the same process with our PowerShell. Okay, or you could just go ahead over to Microsoft Store and look for gaming services. Make sure to download the ones from Microsoft Corporation and just hit on get. And as you can see here, the installation is done. So all we need to do is just again restart our computer. Okay. Once done, go ahead and launch the Xbox app. And after that, you should be good to go. All right, that is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.